First of all, open your web browser. Click on three dots. Click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Find out Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time. Click on Clear Data. After that, relaunch your browser. Search for WhatsApp web. Open the website. Now go to your phone. Open your Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp application if it's available. Open the WhatsApp application. Tap on three dots. Tap Settings. Now scan the QR code. This time I hope your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.